Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This well-appointed two-story family home of approximately 4,000 square feet has on its upper floor 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, plus an extra large living and TV room, which could be easily converted into 2 additional bedrooms. The entrance level also has 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, living room, and a large, bright, and airy kitchen with a breakfast nook. Amenities and equipment included are generator, water tank, water pump, water heater, ceiling fans, AC units, fridge, stove, and TV. The property is located in a quiet neighborhood close to Maypen's leading high schools and with easy access to the highway, hospital, supermarket, banks, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29.5 million or US $191,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.